is business, but they are built by people. So lead with what? With understanding. So what we do with a DISC assessment is, and you had a chance to experience it. What would you say about that? Like, what was your impression when you first came in contact with the DISC?
I think, as you said, it's all organizations are built by people.
Yeah.
If you don't understand your subordinates, if you don't understand people who work for you, if you don't understand your prospects, how can you communicate with them? You could be, in a way, talking Mandarin and they don't speak Mandarin.
Yeah.
You know, and there's a one-way dialogue. In sales, the number one rule is they have to like and trust you. And to build like and trust is through clear communication. So what this said to me is that, because I run at 200 miles an hour.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and I realized that some of people, even my partners, my directors, tick differently.
Yeah.
They think differently. They operate differently. Doesn't mean they don't. They're not dedicated, or they don't committed, or they don't understand. They just have to be spoken to differently. So it made me realize that I have to change. I have to change. It's not just my way or another
okay.
way. And businesses are built around people.
Yeah.
Yes. Without people, you will never grow your business unless you always want to be a one-man band.
I love it. I love it. But now, let's say